welcome to another episode of JAX Online Maths. We are still on linear equations. Take note. Today we are going to look at equations containing fractions. Okay? Now, this is our first example. The first step is to eliminate the fractions. So we are going to eliminate the fractions by using the word the LCM. So find LCM. Now the LCM of 4, 2, and 8 is 8. Okay? Because why 8? Because 4 can go to 8, 2 can go to 8. So take note. So use the 8 to multiply this fraction, this whole number, and this fraction. Okay? So we are going to have 8 times 1 out of 4x minus 8 times 1 out of 2 equals 3, 8 times 3 minus 8 times 5 out of 8x. So we are going to cancel. 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 2. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 4. 8 goes here 1, 8 goes here 1. Now we are going to multiply. 2 times x will give us 2x. 4 times 1 will give us 4. Equals 8 times 3 will give us 24. Minus 1 times 5x will give us 5x. Good. So our next step is to group like terms. So we are going to have 2x. Now this is negative 5. When it's crossing the equal sign, we are going to have positive 5x equals 24. Now this is 4, negative 4. It's crossing the equal sign. We are going to have plus 4. We are going to add them. 2x plus 5x will give us 7x. 24 plus 4 will give us 28. We are going to divide both sides by the coefficients of x. That's 7. So divide here by 7, here by 7. 7 will cancel 7. X is equal to 28 divided by 7 will give us 4. So this is our final answer. I hope you can represent this on your number line. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's try our second example. Now the same procedure. Our first step is to find LCM. Find your LCM, okay? LCM. Good. Our LCM is what? 12. Our LCM is 12. The least common multiple is 12. Now use the LCM to multiply this fraction, and this fraction. So we are going to have 12 into brackets 3x minus 2. All over 3. Please try and put this fraction in brackets. Okay? Please try. Very necessary. Minus 12 into brackets 2x minus 1 all over 4 equals 12 times 1 out of 12. So we are going to cancel. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 4. 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 3. 12 goes here 1, 12 goes here 1. Now we're going to write everything again. So I have 4 into brackets 3x minus 2 minus 3 into brackets 2x minus 1 equals 1 times 1, 1. Our next step is to remove the brackets. 4 times 3 will give us 12x. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Minus 3 times 2x will give us 6x. Take note here. Negative times negative will give us positive. So plus 3 times 1, 3 equals 1. We are going to add them. We are going to group like terms. Okay, we're going to group like terms. So we're going to have 12x minus 6x. Now take note. This is not cause any equal sign, so that you still maintain the operation sign. So take note, because 1, 8 is causing the equal sign, so you're going to have plus 8. This 3 is also positive. When it crosses, you're going to have negative 3. 12 minus 6 will give us 6x, because 1 plus 8 will give us 9. 9 minus 3 will give us 6. So 6 divided also by 6. 6. S is equal to 6 divided by 6 is equal to what? 1. Good. So this is our final answer. Good. How we are getting all the steps. That's good. Let's try our third example. Now, what's our first step? Your guess is good as mine. That's good. It's 9. You're right. So the LCM is what? 9. So use the LCM to multiply everything here. The same applies to this one and this fraction. So 9 times 1 out of 3 into bracket 2x minus 1 minus 9 times 4 over 9 out of 3x minus 2 equals 9 times negative 1 out of 9. Let's cancel. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 3. Now go to step 1, goes here 1. Goes here 1, goes here 1. Let's write everything again. So we're going to have 3 into brackets 2x minus 1. Now negative 1 times 4 is 4. Into bracket 3x minus 2 equals 1 times 1. 1 times negative 1. Take note. Negative 1. We are going to, our next step is to remove the bracket. So 3 times 2x will give us 6x. 3 times negative 1 will give us negative 3. Negative 4 times 3 will give us negative 12x. Take notes. Take notes. I know the reason why I'm stressing on this. Negative times negative will give us what? Positive. Most students will go and write negative, which is wrong. So take note. Negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 will give us 8 equals negative 1. Our next step is to group like terms. So we are going to have 6x minus 12x equals negative 1. 3 is considered equal sign. So we are going to have plus 3. The 8 is positive. When it's considered equal sign, we are going to have negative 8. Now, 6x minus 12x will give us negative 6x equals negative 1 plus 3 will give us 2. Take note, negative 1 plus 3 will give us 2. 2 minus 8 will give us negative 6. Okay? Now, or you are owing me 1, you are owing me 8. How much are you owing? You are owing me negative 9. Negative 9 plus 3 will give us negative 6. So, negative 6. Divide also by negative 6, negative 6. This will cancel this. This will cancel 6. Negative will cancel negative. We are going to have x is equal to 6 divided by 6 will give us what? 1. Good. So this is our final answer for our third example. Now, do you know something? I want you to try the last example for me. Okay? Try your hands on it. Now, when you are done, try and submit your answer. Okay? Good. So this is the end for our third lesson. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, good. Our next lesson is on linear equations involving word problem. So watch out. I wish you all the best.